It's sweet like me. Okay, this is done. So, wow, it's so hot! Oh my God. It smells like a Chinese Tim Hortons in here. Very good, Sissy. Somebody once told me the world is gonna roll me. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be making Tuan, not the delivery service app, but instead we're going to be making sticky rice rolls. These are super delicious. This is an iconic Taiwanese breakfast item, but it is also commonly made in Shanghai and China. My mom used to eat this growing up, and her mom, my grandma, obviously, would pack this for her for lunch. She would put various vegetables, meat, stuff it together, and send her away to school. But instead, we're not going to school today. We're gonna eat it right at home. So let's get to it.
Whenever I'm in the mood for Asian food, there's only one place I ever go. A one-stop shop for Asian ingredients. Did you guess? It's Lucky Supermarket. They're an independent Canadian grocery store that offers the freshest seafood, exotic fruits, and vegetables. They also have a wide variety of authentic Asian products and a numerous drink selection. Not to mention, but their prices are unbeatable. But if you're too tired from shopping, stop by their kitchen that has hot food and ready-to-eat meals every day.
What we're going to be using is black rice or purple rice. This is common for what Koreans use in their rice dishes, but what we're also going to be using is sweet white rice. So we're going to add about 3/4 cups of sweet white rice, 1/4 cup of this black purple sticky rice. Grab your bowl. I've actually soaked these overnight just so that the rice can puff up nicely and it will be super soft and chewy when we cook it. What you want to do is add about 1 tablespoon of oil for 1 cup of rice and mix it together. The reason we do this is so that when it cooks, each of the rice grains are separate and they're not stuck together. So when you're cooking regular rice, you typically do a 1-to-1 ratio, but in this case, I'm going to add a little bit more than half a cup of water for my 1 cup of rice. We're going to add it into our cooking utensil. Today I'm using an Instant Pot. I really want a rice cooker, but my landlord won't let me have one. So in the meantime, I'm going to be using an Instant Pot, but if you don't have an Instant Pot or a rice cooker, you can actually just cook it on the regular stove top. All you need to do is boil some water, add another tray, and then steam your rice for about 30 minutes. Let's talk about the toppings. In Taiwan, traditionally what they put is this thing right here called pork floss, or this is actually called youtiao. I used to eat and breathe this as a kid. I loved it so much, but my mom said it wasn't too good for you. I mean, it's not that great for you, but you know, once in a while, why not indulge, okay? For ingredient number 2, we're going to be using this guy right here. This is a Chinese long donut. This is what we're going to be using. We're going to heat this up in the oven for about 5 to 7 minutes. Guys, we're going to make an over easy egg. We want one that is jammy, delicious, but not too runny. Flip that egg over and let it cook ever so gently. These are mustard greens. They are pickled mustard leaves. They are very salty, so I would definitely rinse them before you cook with them. What you want to do is you actually just want to heat up your stove top again, add in your mustard greens, add a pinch of some sugar just to round off that sourness, a little bit of water. Take that off the heat. For the rice, once I cooked it, I let it actually sit for about 15 minutes before I release the air, just to make sure all of that water is fully absorbed and that rice is fully cooked. Now that that's done, grab a bowl, add in about 3 heaping tablespoons of that rice, and we're gonna season it. Similar like you would with some sushi rice. You can add in some mirin. I'm adding in some rice vinegar here. A little bit some salt and a pinch of some sugar. If you take a look at that rice, you can see that all of those grains are perfectly cooked together. It's sticky, but not like soggy. This is what you want. Okay, this is done. Our Chinese donuts are done. They're crispy, Get your pieces ready. I just like to cut them in half. Now that we have all of our ingredients, let's get rolling. Grab your cellophane wrap, grab your rice, and you're going to want to create a nice flat layer, probably like 7 inches by 7 inches on each side, or whichever measurement you would like to do. Try to make it as square as you can. Next up, we're going to take in our egg. Gently add that in the center of it. Take off that good egg yolk with that Chinese donut. Add this to the side. Take that pork floss and add a nice, generous layer of it. We want to make sure that we leave about 1 centimeter on each end of it. That will help when we're rolling it. Add in your choice of pickled vegetable. In this case, I'm using pickled carrots. And also take some strips of some cucumber for some added freshness. Next up, grab that mustard green and take 1 heaping spoon of it across and 1 more. There isn't really a recipe for how much you're wanting to add in. This is really up to your own preference, but this is what I like to add in. Some scallion on top. Okay, and for the last part, we're going to make a sauce. So what I've added is a little bit of some chili. Add in some hoisin sauce and a little bit of some soy sauce and a pinch of some sugar. Mix that up together. This is a sauce that's going to marry our sticky rice roll together. For the important part. Squeeze and roll. Squeeze and roll, like we're making a little sausage roll. In Taiwan, it's actually sold in cellophane wrap, and so what they do is they just cut it in half and they serve it to you like this. Look at that. Look at all of those colors. That looks absolutely beautiful. Oh, and it smells so, so, so good. Okay, we're gonna try this, okay? I'm gonna try to get everything as well as I can. This is absolutely delicious. It's kind of messy to eat, but I promise you, if you don't take as large bites as I did, it'll be better for you. The rice is sweet, it's sticky, it's so comforting. Right inside, you have that Chinese donut that it just has the most wonderful crisp and bite to it. And then on top of that, you have that yolk, that egg that is just runny, absolutely delicious, with those pickled onions, that cucumber to add freshness and bite to it. Absolutely so, so good. You guys have to make this at home. As always, full recipe details will be below. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and ring that notification bell because we drop videos. Just like, comment, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Okay, everyone? See you guys next time. Ciao for now.